The Indian Council of Agricultural Research Specialized Center, the National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, has officially registered 19 chicken breeds as indigenous to India. More information on NBAGR can be accessed from their website through the below given link. In addition to these breeds, there are two wild jungle fowls that are ancestors of the domestic chicken. Therefore, in this video, we'll see about all the 21 chicken breeds native to India. Ankleshwar chicken have derived their name from a place called Ankleshwar in Bharuch district of Gujarat. Golden yellow is predominant in roosters, while black golden is predominant in hens. Their plumage is generally striped or spotted. Beak and shanks are yellow. They have white earlobes. Eyes are black with yellow and reddish rings. Annually they lay around 81 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color and they are good brooders. They have wattles. Their comb is single, large, erect and rose colored. Female has smaller comb and wattles. The male weighs 1.8 kilograms and female weighs 1.5 kilograms. Asil chicken's native tract is Khammam district of Telangana. In Arabic, Asil means high-born, and over time, many varieties of Asil have evolved. They have bright red earlobes with long and slender face, devoid of feathers, and have golden legs. They are fighter cocks. Mature roosters can fight till death. Even a few weeks old chicks often fight. Hens are not good layers but are excellent sitters. Annually, they lay around 40 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. Wattles are absent. Both male and female have a firmly set red pea-comb. The male weighs 4 kilograms and female weighs 2.5 kilograms. However, this can also vary depending on different Asil varieties. Males have a multicolored plumage. Females predominantly have brown, black or a mixed plumage. Busra chicken are native to Dhule district of Maharashtra. Their plumage is mostly white, mixed with black feathers on their neck, back, tail and reddish-brown feathers on shoulders and wings. Their comb is red, single and stands erect. Beak and shanks are yellow color. Their eye ring is red, earlobe is white and wattles are red. Their name is derived from Busrawal village or from a local Busrawal tree. Annually they lay around 40 to 55 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown or creamish white in color. They are very good brooders. The male weighs 1.4 kilograms and female weighs 1 kilogram. Chittagongs are closely similar to Malay chickens and are well muscled with a large skull found in Meghalaya and Tripura. They are very strong and hardy large birds with a quarrelsome temperament. They are among the tallest chicken breeds with a height of 90 centimeters. Hens have poor mothering ability. Their plumage is black, white, dark brown, chestnut or grey and have strong fighter instincts. They usually have a high head set when in action and a low tail set. Annually they lay around 30 to 55 eggs. Their eggshell is creamy white in color. They have a pea comb. Wattles are absent in both male and female. The male weighs 3.5 to 4.5 kilograms and females weigh 3 to 4 kilograms. Danki chickens are named Danki as they are locally used for Danki fights in Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam districts of Andhra Pradesh. Males have long and sharp spur. Hens' plumage is mainly brown followed by black. Roosters have shining bluish-black feathers on wings, breast, tail and thighs. Ears are covered with small feathers of same color. Beak and shanks are yellow or greyish. Annually, they lay around 25 to 35 eggs. Their egg shell is light or dark brown in color. They are normal brooders. Male has a pea comb. Female has a compressed pea comb. Wattles are absent in both sexes. Male weighs 3.1 kilograms and female weighs 2.2 kilograms. Dao Tigir chicken are compact and small-sized heavy birds with long legs found in Assam. Their plumage is black speckled with white feathers. Tail is short and almost level with your body. In Bodo language, Dao means hen. Tigir is a local plant which produces flowers resembling the plumage of these birds. Annually, they lay around 60 to 70 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are good brooders. Wattles are present. Both sexes have a single erect red comb. Male weighs 1.7 kilograms and female weighs 1.6 kilograms. Gagas chicken have derived the name from their peculiar gegu sound they make and are found in Kolar district of Karnataka. Roosters have shining bluish-black feathers on breast, tail and thighs. Neck is covered with golden feathers. They are smaller compared to Asil, Danki and Kalasti, but their egg production is comparatively more and considered a dual-purpose breed. Hens often go broody and are considered a good sitter and a mother. Annually, they lay around 45 to 60 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. Wattles are absent. Male has a firmly set red pea comb. Female has a more compressed pea comb. Male weighs 2.1 kilograms and female weighs 1.4 kilograms. Male has golden neck feathers. Females are generally dark brown followed by black. Grey jungle fowls are common relatives of the domestic chicken and endemic to the peninsular India. They are mainly found in central and southern parts of India. Male is greyish with golden wing markings, whitish spotting around the neck, a long glossy black tail, and have a pinkish feet. Their red comb and wattles are smaller compared to the widespread red jungle fowl. Females are rather plain, lacking the long tail, comb and wattles. Their yellowish legs and bold white spotting on underparts separate them from similar looking female red jungle fowl. They are quite noisy. Their calls are heard almost year round. Females lay 4 to 7 pale creamy eggs, incubates them for 21 days. Chicks are reared for 9 weeks and male takes responsibility of chicks while the mother incubates a new clutch of eggs. Males are dutiful fathers in brooding chicks. Annually, they lay only 18 eggs and they weigh 1 to 2.5 kilograms. Hansli chicken's name originated from Hans, locally meaning swan, because of their large horizontal swan-like posture. They are mainly found in the Similipal National Park area in Odisha. Males are aggressive in nature and always ready for a fight. They have a solid black plumage. Beak is small, strong and stout at the base, narrow and blunt at the tip. They have pea comb and a well-built body type. Annually, they lay around 39 to 96 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are good brooders. Male weighs 3.7 kilograms and female weighs 2.5 kilograms. Haringata Black derives name from their breeding tract, Haringata Block of Nadia district in West Bengal. Their body is full jet black except the comb, wattles and earlobes, which are mostly red. Females are very good brooders and hatchers. Roosters are distinguished by their sickle and saddle feathers. Annually, they lay around 100 to 200 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. Male weighs 1.5 kilograms and female weighs 1 kilogram. Kadaknath chicken are also called as Kali Masi, meaning fowl having a black flesh. They are native to Dhar and Jhabua districts of Madhya Pradesh. Even color of a day-old chick is bluish to black with irregular dark stripes over the back. A shining blue tinge on their earlobes adds to their unique feature. Their legs, toenails, beak, tongue, comb, and even wattles are greyish black. There are three varieties of Kadakanath: jet black, golden, and penciled. Eggs are brown with a slightly pink tint. They are poor sitters and rarely hatch their own brood. Annually, they lay around 120 eggs. Male weighs 1.8 to 2 kilograms and female weighs 1.2 to 1.4 kilograms. Kalasti chickens are named after an area called Sri Kalasti in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Males are bluish black, having a long neck covered with golden feathers. Plumage pattern is patchy bluish black and dark brown. They resemble donkey birds but are smaller in size and have a mixed comb type. Annually, they lay around 30 to 40 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are very good brooders. Wattles are absent. They have pea or mixed comb type. Male weighs 2.4 kilograms and female weighs 1.8 kilograms. Kashmir Favourala are also known as Kashir. They are a good disease-resistant breed found in Jammu and Kashmir. They are well adapted to freezing climatic conditions and thrives well in altitudes of 1500 to 2000 meters above sea level. Feathered comb is a peculiarity of this breed. Their plumage color have mixed shades of black, red, green and gold. Plumage pattern is solid, striped, patchy, spotted or barred. Annually, they lay around 60 to 85 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are good brooders. They have wattles. Their comb is single, large, erect and rose-colored. Female has smaller comb and wattles. Male weighs 1.1 kilograms and female weighs 1 kilogram. Konayan chicken's name is derived from two Manipuri words, Kona meaning kick and Yen meaning hen. They are native to the Impal Valley of Manipur. Plumage is patchy black in males. Predominant plumage color is black followed by brown, white or red. Females are solid black in color. Traditionally, these birds have been managed mainly by men for their fighting ability. Annually, they lay around 25 to 40 eggs. Their eggshell is brown in color. They are normal brooders. Wattles are absent. Male has a pea comb. Female has a compressed pea comb. Male weighs 3 kilograms and female weighs 2.3 kilograms. Mewari chickens are named after their native breeding tract, Mewari region of Rajasthan. Females have light to dark brown plumage and are broody in nature. Males have bright gold and bronze feathers forming a shawl or cape over their back. Tail has long arching black feathers but shimmers with blue, purple and green in good light. Annually, they lay around 37 to 52 eggs. Their eggshell is brown in color. They have wattles. Their comb is single, large, erect and rose-colored. Female has smaller comb and wattles. Male weighs 1.9 kilograms and female weighs 1.2 kilograms. Miri chicken are native to Dhemaji district and northern parts of Assam. Their comb is single, large and erect in roosters but smaller in hens. Their shanks are white in color. Females are very good brooders and mothers. Plumage pattern is mostly solid black, sometimes dull or patchy or spotted or striped. They are named after the Miri or Mishing tribes of Assam. Annually, they lay around 54 to 67 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. Male weighs 1.5 kilograms and female weighs 1 kilogram. Nicobari birds are well adapted to island ecosystem, having humid climate and resistant to common poultry diseases. They are endemic to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They have a very large reddish single erect comb and wattles. They are short-legged birds having solid brown to black plumage. They are very good layers. They are considered to be an endangered fowl as the current population is estimated to be lesser than 8,000. Annually, they lay around 112 to 237 eggs. Their eggshell is white or pale cream color. They are good brooders. Male weighs 1.8 kilograms and female weighs 1.3 kilograms. Punjab brown chickens are named after their native tract Punjab and color brown. They are found in Punjab and Haryana. Plumage pattern is sometimes spotted or striped. Males in particular have black spots or stripes. Ear lobes are mostly brown. Beak and shanks are yellow. Eye ring is red. Comb is red and erect in position. Wattles are red, large in males and smaller in females. Annually, they lay around 60 to 80 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are good brooders. Male weighs 2.1 kilograms and female weighs 1.5 kilograms. Red jungle fowls are widespread birds and smaller compared to their domestic descendants. They are mainly found in north, central, east and northeastern parts of India. Male has a mix of feather colors with orange, brown, red, gold, grey, white, olive and even metallic green plumage with 14 tail feathers. Female have a very small comb and wattles compared to the male. They alone look after the eggs and chicks. Both sexes can be distinguished by their grey legs. Male's crowing is hoarse and choked off towards the end, unlike the loud, vibrant calls of the domestic rooster. Female lay only 18 eggs a year. After chicks hatch at 12 weeks old, they are chased out of the group by their mother. Male weighs 1.5 kilograms and female weighs 1 kilogram. Unlike the multicolored male, female is rusty brown to black. Tellicherry chicken derives their name from Tellicherry of Kannur district in Kerala. Hens are very noisy, usually after laying eggs. Plumage is solid black with shining bluish tinge on hackle, back and tail. Comb is red and large in size, erect in roosters and drooping on the rear side in hens. Beak is blackish, shanks are blackish grey in color. Annually they lay around 60 to 80 eggs. Their eggshell is creamy white in color. They are normal brooders. Male weighs 1.6 kilograms and female weighs 1.2 kilograms. Uttara chickens are distributed in Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. Their plumage is solid black in color and have a large single reddish comb. About 18% of these birds have a bunch of feathers on their head. These birds are very good layers but very noisy and flighty. They have feathered shanks, which is not present in any other indigenous chicken breed in India. Annually they lay around 125 to 160 eggs. Their eggshell is light brown in color. They are normal brooders. Male weighs 1.3 kilograms and female weighs 1.1 kilogram.